All right, guys, today is April 23rd. It's a Tuesday. We're going to take a look at the NQ NASDAQ 100 E-mini futures. I'm going to show you how to use a software-based approach to nail the absolute low that we saw here in this market. And guys, listen, I don't care if you trade Forex, futures, or stocks. No matter what you trade, I really think you need to take a look at the NQ. So let's go ahead, fire this up. Alright, what's up guys? It's Mark here at Dino Trading. We got this short video recap here for you on today's very impressive price action trading on the NQ and really all markets today. Today was a classic case study on how and why trends work. And it's also a classic case study on how only pro traders win and why retail traders lose, because retail traders are always trying to call tops and call bottoms, whereas trend traders are always trying to just simply trade in the direction of the trend and do absolutely nothing else, right? So, all right, well, let's get right into it. So what you see here on the screen is a 5-minute candlestick chart from today. Today is April 23rd, 2019. And this is what you've heard me refer to numerous times as the bullshit chart, the indicator chart, the candlestick chart. Nothing new here, right? There's no section that tells you, hey boss, it's time to go long. Hey boss, it's time to go short. It's just simply staring at this thing, looking at your indicators, looking at your fucking RSI, looking at your fucking MACD, your stochastics, and trying to call tops and bottoms, right? Anyway, let's get to the good shit. So you guys know what comes next, right? With one click of my mouse, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this chart right here and make it look like this, right? I want to see nice, clean, obvious, trend-based signals. Don't show me a pile of bullshit that looks like this. I don't give a shit about this type of chart. Neither should you. Only show me a chart like this where in a couple of seconds I can understand what direction I want to trade. And keep in mind, guys, no one knows that today was going to be a trend day, right? All you can do is capture your dino bars like this. That's your long signal, okay? Then you capture your high, you capture your low. Nothing new here, right? This becomes your long retracement zone. When price is inside this zone, you're looking for longs. You're not doing anything else. Shame on you if you tried to go short today. Honestly, shame on you if you tried to short this market like I know some people did right here, right? I'll get into why I think people tried to short this market right here and got their fucking heads cut off, right? Anyway, we got our long retracement zone right here, right? Now what we do is we wait for price to retrace, and you can see here you got two nice little section, what I call wicks of retracements, all right? Let's go ahead and timestamp that, all right? You got one retracement here. Take a look at the x-axis, 8:23 a.m. The next retracement happened at 8:38 a.m. That was it. You get what I'm saying, guys? If you were not at your computer between 8:30 a.m. and 9 a.m. today, then you just missed a $9,000 trade, right? And good luck trying to forecast that trade on this type of chart, this indicator chart, this bullshit chart, or whatever the hell you use. If I jump back to the Dino Bars charts, you can see right here, this signal bar forecast, hey boss, we may have the start of a massive trend. You don't know that for sure, right? But as a trader, you got to take every fucking signal. You just got to do it, right? Because you never know when a massive trend day is going to show up. All you know is that 1 to 2 days a week, you will get a massive trend day. What direction it looks like, how far it runs, etc., you have no idea. All you can do is your job, right? And this thing spent the entire session. This thing did nothing but go straight up like a fucking rocket ship today. And I can totally tell that some retail traders came in and tried to short it here. How? Because there's evidence of these long wicks. They tried to sell it, so at one point in time, this bar had the appearance of a red bar, and then the buyers came in, the trend force came in, and fucking steamrolled over those retail short traders that tried to sell short this market. And then some, right? Kept rallying for another 60 points on the NQ. Right? So anyway, guys, what's the takeaway from this video? Okay? Item number one, always trade what's in front of you. Okay? When you're looking at a price-based chart, it's telling you, hey boss, we are green. When it says, hey boss, we are green, that means you should condition yourself to only be taking longs. That's it. Right? That's what I mean by trade what's in front of you like this, not what you wish was in front of you like this, where you're trying to call tops, you're trying to call bottoms, you're trying to fuck around, and just don't do it, right? You either want to do this for a living and act like a professional, or you want to act like a dumbass. And I'm not saying that to be rude, so please, I know I'm going to get a bunch of comments and messages about, hey, Mark, you're a jerk. I'm not. I'm just telling it like it is, right? Trade what you see, trade what's on your screen, not what you wish was on your screen, okay? Anyway, back to our list of takeaways here. Item number 2 and 3 here on our takeaway list, right? Let the market come to you. Trend days are going to happen every day of the week, guys. You know this, right? The market's going to be open tomorrow. The market's going to be open next week. The market's going to be open next month. There's no need to rush a trade. You know what I'm saying? Be patient with your trading and let the market come to you. What does that mean? When a long signal happens, don't just rush in and randomly buy the market. You gotta wait for the retracement. That's what patient traders do. That's what pro traders do. You know who doesn't do that? Retail traders who are trading bullshit like this, right? The name of the game behind trend trading, the reason that it's been proven to work is that it's designed to get you in at the beginning of the trend. You know what I'm saying? Not the middle of the trend over here, definitely not the end of the trend over here, but right at the beginning of the trend. That is the nature of trend-based software. That's why the Dino Bars work so fucking well. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise, right? Trend trading fucking works. There's a science behind it. It's been proven to work. And it's not just me saying that. Google trend trading, right? Research what trend trading means, and you're going to understand the power of getting in at the beginning of the trend like this and letting the market do the heavy lifting for you, right? Letting the trend do its job. You've done your job as a trader by looking at the charts, waiting for the signal, waiting for the retracement, taking your entry, and placing your stop. That's it. You did your job. Now let the market do the rest. Okay? If you can do that, you will always be able to turn this type of nonsense right here into a professional chart display like this. Okay? So guys, thanks for watching this video. See you on the next trade.